Pure Foods is happy with Ralini.
Now the wins have started to come para sa Pure Foods. A couple of teams na nagsimula that were at the bottom starting to make their own runs. Of course, we mentioned the Barangay Ginebra a while ago. Pure Foods in Alaska. All those guys were under. Pero ito, nabubuhay na sila.
Samantala, ito ang ating storya. Panibagong duelo. Banggaang todo-todo between Pure Foods and Santa Lucia. Ito po yung naglaban dun sa championship in the last conference, yung Philippine Cup, where Santa Lucia won in 7 games. BJ Simon. Here's Roger Young. Watch the Peter June Simon keeps it alive. Wesley Wilson para sa rebound. Pinagmamadali na ito sa Santa Lucia. Gagana ng bola sa Wesley Wilson. Ganap ganada to Kelly Williams. They've been going for the 3-point shot. They're trying to skim off some of those points from the Pure Foods lead. But the ball will stay with Santa Lucia. And a 30-second timeout is again sued for by Coach Boyet Fernandez with less than a minute remaining. Specifically, 56.5 ang nananabing oras dito sa fourth quarter as we have the games on Wednesday at the Araneta. Red Bull will go up against Air 21. Barangay Ginebra versus Magnolia. It's a power-packed double-header right there sa Miyerkules. Medyo may mga nagdesisyon na rito. May mga palabas na ng kuneta. At sa tingin nila, mahihirapan na Santa Lucia makabalik. But let's find out. Hindi natin masasabi yan. Inside, Dennis Espino. Reverse layup is foiled. And James Yap recovers it. Ito na naman si Peter June Simon. Pasahan ni James Yap at ni June Simon at nagingitian yung dalawang magkaibigan. Ayos daw. Ayos yung ginawa nila. And it is a 10-point lead by Pure Foods with 46 seconds to go. We have this timeout.